Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix error 501 in Roblox Studio. First things first, error 501 in Roblox Studio is not a real Roblox system error. It is a fake error system screen generated by a virus or backdoor hidden inside an effective free model from the toolbox. So, if you see the error 501 windows during a playtest, close it immediately. Do not copy paste or run any test requested by the pop-up. What you should do is basically back up your files first and do these steps right here. So basically back up your place, open the output window. This will be as easy as this on the image that I made. So basically save the Roblox as to create a backup of your place. Go to view output to see the script causing the error, and the malicious script, just go ahead and find it on your file explorer and make sure to delete it. By the way, make sure to stop your gameplay, look at your Explorer window, think about the most recent free models you added to your game right before this error appeared. It could be weapons, cars, admin scripts, visual effects like blood puddles. Recollect and delete those models. So basically, those are all viruses, okay? And remove all any plugins, by the way. So basically, go ahead and do everything on that. Find your place, back up, remove everything, save, reopen your place, and it should be good to go without the error 501. So if you guys find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of the day. Peace.